Let's look at multiplying out or expanding out these two brackets. The question usually will read something like, simplify 2 root 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 3. Now I've put them in different colours just so you can see what we're doing here. Okay, so we look at the solution now. Like any other question where we have to expand brackets, we split the first bracket and double the second one. And so we get 2 root 5, that's that one, multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 3. Then our minus 3 multiplied by 2 root 5 plus 3, the whole bracket here. So then we multiply the first by the first, so it's 2 root 5 by 2 root 5. Then 2 root 5 by 3, and that's there. Then our minus 3 by 2 root 5 is there, and our minus 3 by the plus 3 is there. Then so what do we get? When we multiply 2 root 5 by 2 root 5, we multiply 2 by 2 and root 5 by root 5. So we get 2 multiplied by 2 and root 5 by root 5. Then we have 2 by 3 multiplied by root 5, minus 3 by 2 multiplied by root 5, and minus 3 by minus 3. So again, what did we do? We multiplied real by real and irrational by irrational. Okay, rational by rational, irrational by irrational. And when there's only one irrational number, you just write it in. So then the next thing we do is we multiply them out. So 2 by 2 is 4, and root 5 by root 5 is 5, because root 5 by root 5 is root 5 squared, and the square root of 5 squared is 5. Then I have 2 by 3, which is 6 times root 5, minus 3 by 2 is minus 6 times root 5, and minus 3 by 3 is minus 9, which gives us 4 times 5 is 20. 6 root 5, take away 6 root 5, they're gone because they cancel each other out, minus 9. So 20 minus 9 is 11.